In the southern United States, especially in Louisiana, a dangerous enemy is spreading terror: the invasive wild boar. They not only devastate crops and attack livestock, but also cause staggering losses, more than $80 million each year. And there is only one way to end this nightmare: courage, skill, and precise shots from the skies. According to the Louisiana Department of Agriculture, hunting by helicopter is one of the most effective methods to deal with the problem. However, this is also an extremely costly approach, over to $1,200 per hour, including fuel, aircraft, and professional crews. Dangers are ever present: mid-air collisions, mechanical failures, or worse, accidentally shooting livestock or even people. Other measures, like net traps, electric fences, or using hunting dogs, have been tried, but they're often too slow and not strong enough to curb this destructive species' terrifying reproductive rate. The roar of rotor blades echoes as the helicopter tears through the tranquil sky. On the ground below, the soil is torn up, the crops trampled. A herd of about 18 wild boars gathers at the forest's edge. Ryan, a veteran pilot with 12 years of experience, maneuvers the helicopter lower. Ethan, the lead shooter, grips his rifle tightly, aiming at the lead boar. The gunfire erupts, for boars drop instantly. But something unexpected happens. Instead of scattering, the herd charges straight into the dense forest, vanishing from sight. The hunting team is forced to approach along the riverbank, where the boars often come to drink. Time is running out. A few wary boars muster their strength and bolt away. The rest charge forward like high-powered machines, making it difficult to take aim. The helicopter has to circle multiple times, burning through fuel. Nightfall is approaching, and if the herd isn't taken down, all efforts will be in vain. Then a report comes in from local farmers: a massive herd of boars is devastating the cornfields. In just a few hours, 6 months of hard work will be reduced to nothing. That afternoon, a gigantic Borno as the boar lords emerged. The beast, weighing over 320 kilograms, was infamous for escaping every trap and surviving countless hunts. It led the herd, laying waste to the vast cornfield. Ryan lowered the helicopter, scanning for tracks in the tall grass. But the boar lord, cunning as ever, slipped deep into the forest, forcing the helicopter to drop to a dangerous altitude just a few meters above the treetops. "9 o'clock, there it is," Ethan shouted as he spotted the massive dark silhouette. The beast moved with lightning speed, charging across the rugged terrain. Suddenly, it stopped, turned, and roared as if issuing a challenge. Ethan aimed for its weak spot, but a strong gust rocked the helicopter. The shot missed. The boar lord vanished back into the forest. Ryan made a daring decision. He dropped the helicopter lower, the rotor blades whipping up dust and debris, forcing the herd out into the open. After 25 minutes of a breathless chase, the boar lord finally emerged into a clearing. Ethan steadied his breath and took aim. The gunfire rang out, the bullet struck true. The massive beast collapsed, and the entire team roared in exhilaration. Yet, dozens of smaller hogs managed to escape into the wilderness. The battle was far from over. The wild boar breeds at a staggering pace, with virtually no natural predators to hold them back. Every effort to contain them can only slow, but never truly stop, the destruction and disease they carry. Each flight into the skies comes at a massive cost of money and energy. That afternoon, the team brought down more than 25 hogs, including the infamous Lord Boar, securing Louisiana's crops for another season. Yet, it was but a small victory in a war that shows no end. For with each passing day, they breed, they adapt, and they grow ever more cunning. Can mankind truly withstand this relentless threat, and deep within those shadowed forests? What other colossal beasts still lurk, waiting to emerge? Stay tuned for the next episode where our hunt continues, uncovering faster, more effective methods to take down the invasive wild boars, and revealing how just a single mistake could unleash catastrophe.